All right, what's up guys? I am in a hotel and I've got laundry to do and I don't want to have it sent out to the hotel service. It's affordable. I'm here in Cairo. Things are pretty cheap, but I was wondering, could I do this myself? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I can do this. So what we're going to need first, we've got a big plastic Ziploc bag, and I brought this with me from home. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, you can get one that doesn't necessarily zip. Just make sure it's heavy duty, like, I don't know, 6 mil, 3 mil, something like that. And I've got some little laundry soap that I packed in my check bag with me. And obviously if you didn't have the foresight to do this, you can pick this up somewhere. And then we've got one item of dirty clothes. In this case, we've got some jeans. So we're gonna try this out. Just like that, one item at a time. I'm gonna put a little bit of, I gotta unseal that. All right, here we go. Now it says about 1/4 of a fluid ounce per sink full. So this is a 2 fluid ounce bottle. So we'll just put a little bit in there. And then we're gonna fill that up with water just a little bit, not like super full, but enough to saturate the piece of laundry. All right, that's probably good. We're gonna close it up. Hopefully there's no holes in the bag. And we're gonna shake, baby, shake. Some small leak, but not too bad. Maybe a little more water. All right, so I've saturated that, and kind of to represent the washing machine, right? You shake it around and all kinds of angles to make sure it's nice and wet. And then it should be filled with dirty water. Actually, I'm gonna show you that, it's pretty gross. Definitely dirty water. So we're gonna dump all that water out. Now I could put it through another cycle, so to speak, right? Put it in there again, fill it up with a little water, a little soap, shake it around until that water is essentially clear coming out. Or I could actually put more items in the bag if it fits more, right? Not too full, I don't think, but, and then it's a matter of, you gotta rinse the soap out. And make sure the sink is clean before you do this. All right, it's rinsed out. Now we're gonna actually wring it out and just let it dry. Now obviously I have no idea about colors and shrinking and all that stuff that, accompanies laundry. Maybe not obviously, but I have to admit I don't know. So follow this at your own discretion. You should have little problems if you're doing generic things, socks, underwear, jeans, t-shirts, things like that. All right, and then we're just gonna hang this up to dry, maybe an open window in front of a heater vent or an air conditioning vent. There's no heater vents here. It's Cairo, it's Egypt, it's hot. And that's as simple as that. Now, is it worth doing this? It's kind of a lot of labor for one piece of clothing, but is it better to just, pay the $1 per item of clothing to get washed? Maybe, but this is a DIY channel and we are saving money doing it ourselves.